We'll guide you through how to make 3D edit in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Launch the CapCut desktop software on your computer to begin your creative session. Click the Sign In button in the top left corner of the primary dashboard area. Choose the Sign In with Google option for a fast, streamlined login. Select the specific Google account you wish to use for your projects now. Click the Continue button on the permission screen to authorize the application. Select Open CapCut in the browser pop-up to return to the application. Confirm your login status to access cloud space and all premium software features easily. Click the Create Project button to open the primary video editing workspace. Select the Import button to begin adding your raw video material assets. Navigate through local folders to locate the specific media assets you need today. Select the video files that you intend to use for your project. Click Open to successfully bring assets directly into your active media library. Click and drag a media directly onto the horizontal editing timeline below. To add 3D animation, first cut the middle of the videos to transition. After that, click on the Transitions tab on the top left menu bar. Click the search bar and type 3D specifically to find depth effects. Choose the specific 3D animation that you want to add to your project. Drag it directly in between the video clips that you previously split. You can adjust the transition speed on the right menu for animation timing. Play the preview to review your video and ensure the effect looks smooth. Click the Export button located in the top right corner of the screen. Set the resolution to 1080p within settings for high-definition quality for your audience. Adjust the bitrate to a higher setting to maintain excellent clarity for the video. Choose H.264 as your codec for maximum device compatibility across modern platforms. Select MP4 as your output format for a perfect balance of quality and size. Set the frame rate to 60 frames per second for smooth, high-performance playback of your project. Click Export at the bottom of the window to begin the rendering process. Wait for the progress bar to finish as your edited video is processed. Your video is now ready, and you can share it directly or save it.